Welcome to the Blue Star Higher Secondary School, Class 6, Subject Social Science. Children, today we are going to see about the chapter 2 on the trial of the earliest people. Here the small story about the Trusha train journey. The journey begins with moving to Delhi to Chennai in a train to attend his cousin's wedding. He was sitting near the window and watching the trees and houses passing by. His uncle tapped his shoulders and said, and raised a question about the train. Do you know that train were first used about 150 years ago? Tushar was very much wondered and thinking that how the people could not travel quickly from one place to another place. It may be so difficult to travel on those days. This is about the Tushar's train journey. Children, you can see in this picture how the earliest people live in a forest and they also hunt the wild animals and they obtain as a food. The first topic is the earliest people. Why were they on the move? Hunter. Who is an hunter? They will hunt the wild animals, birds and fishes. Who is a gatherer? They will collect all type of fruits, roots, nuts, seeds and leaves to obtain as a food. Next, skill required. While hunting the animals, we have a basic skills to be hunt. Everyone cannot hunt the wild animals. They should be so alert and quick while hunting the wild animals. Knowledge about the poisonous. The gatherers, while collecting the plants, they have this knowledge which plants should be eaten, which plants should not be eaten. They have a certain knowledge about the plants. Do you have these skills and resources? The first one is resources. For example, if I am staying in one place for a long time for a food, all the food which has been completed. What I will do? I will move to the next place in search of food. This is about the resources. The next one is movement of animals. Animals won't stay in one place. They will move to the another place in search of foods like deer and the cows. In search of grass and leaves also they obtained as a food. The fruits, different fruits bearing. Okay, the people may be moved from season to season in search of different kinds of fruits. Dry season. All the people will live near the riverside because they need water. Without water we cannot live. For example, the perennial. What is a perennial is? The water will come throughout the year, and dry season is the water will come only in certain season, then it becomes very dry. Next topic is how do we know about these people? Archaeologist. Who is an archaeologist? Those days what has been happened, they will research and make as a record and they will find it. அதை கண்டுபிடிச்சு ஆராய்ந்து பார்க்குறவங்க தான் வந்து archaeologist we will say. Okay, next is tools. Many tools has been used as a stone and the bones. Next one is topic is uses of stone tools. Weapons. Why the weapons is being used? To hunt the animals, to scrap the parts, to remove the animal's skin. Next, fire. Fire here is most important. We need to cook the food. What they will, if fire they want means they will rub two stones and the fire will come. Okay, this is about the fire. The choosing of a place to live in near rivers. The people live near rivers. Why? What is the reason the people live in near rivers? We will get all type of resources like plants and animals. Why? The plants, even the water is there, plants will grow. If water is there, animals will come and drink the water, and we also hunt the animals. So the people will live near the rivers. The good quality of stone. They will depend on the stone and they will search where the good quality of stone is available. Next heading is factory site. The stone tools is known as a factory site. How they are telling it is in a factory site? If I am doing a product on a process, many waste material will be remain in the same place. And like that, when we are making the stone tools, the remaining material will be so more in that place. So they considered as a factory sites. Next is habitation. Where the people live. They live in the forest. After forest, they built as a caves. This is about the habitation. The assignment will be list out the 4 reasons why hunter-gatherers move from place to place. You can see this video, whatever I have taught, you can easily answer to this question. Thank you, children.